Hi friends, and this video I'm making it for my non-Tamil speaking friends who watch Tamil movies also. So there are subtitles for this movie. It is available on Amazon Prime. It just got released a few weeks ago. It's called Pon Magal Vandal. It's a heavy subject, guys. I'm not going to give you any spoilers of this movie right now. It's pretty heavy. It's about child abuse, and there are some strong words in the movie. So I wouldn't recommend you watching this movie with young children, but it is a movie that I'm actually happy that Tamil film industry has touched this subject, because these days we've been listening to a lot of such unfortunate incidents for younger children, not just girls. Heard that this happens to even boys, young boys too, which is very sad. We don't. I mean, we are all living in this phase of life where we have to talk to our children even when they are as young as 7 or 8, as early as when they are ready to. Accept a reasonable conversation. We have to talk to them about like what is good touch, bad touch, who can actually touch you in a good way, and when you are actually touched by somebody, in a bad way, you need to find someone who you trust and talk to them, and get out of that place or whatever. In the madri விஷயங்கள், I'm sorry, I just recording it for my Tamil fans, so Tamil is coming in voluntarily. So what I was trying to say is, it's a nice movie. It's heavy, sensitive subject again. So watch it with your family if they are older kids, and you can explain to them also. There was a line in the movie that they say, like, everybody goes through this at some point of time in their life, which is sad. But if you ask the kids nicely, they do share it with you. They come, they trust you, and they confide in you, and they tell you this. So which is that is how you have to approach this subject, not accuse the victim or the person who was just got abused, saying like it's your fault, you probably teased the other person, or it was the clothes that you wear, it's the way you were, talking, walking, whatever. Let's not do that. I like the way how they handle the subject from the point of view of the victim and the people who are associated with that. And most of the time there is no proofs for this. And also that was nice the way they handled it. It is a little long. I would have liked it if it was a little shorter, maybe 15-20 minutes shorter than what the actual movie is, which still forgiven because of the debut attempt by the director, J.J. Frederick. And I applaud Surya and Jyotika for picking the subject. More Surya because he produced this movie also. It's so nice to see that he's backing his wife, who still is going, finding time, being a mom of two children, coming back to movies and taking movies that suits her, and this topic that needs to be told and talked about too. So that is why I wanted to share my thoughts. If you guys all have a couple hours on hand and ready to watch a heavy subject, yes, please do watch this Pon Magal Vandal on Amazon Prime, and let me know what you think, and post here below on comments. Bye guys.